The digital age has ushered in an era of unprecedented connectivity. Yet, amidst this symphony of information, a disconcerting trend is emerging. A growing number of young people are struggling to process the world of sound. One line of inquiry focuses on the ubiquitous presence of noise-canceling headphones. While these devices offer a welcome escape from the cacophony of modern life, their overuse, particularly during crucial developmental years, is suspected of hindering the development of critical auditory processing skills. The human auditory system is not merely designed to detect sound, it's tasked with interpreting that sound, discerning meaning from the symphony of noises that constantly bombard us. However, the widespread adoption of noise-canceling technology may inadvertently be depriving young brains of the very stimuli they need to develop these critical auditory processing skills. By creating an artificial cone of silence, these devices may be hindering the brain's ability to navigate the complexities of real-world soundscapes. Auditory processing disorder, or APD, is a neurological condition that affects how the brain interprets auditory information. Individuals with APD may have normal hearing in the conventional sense, meaning their ears themselves function correctly. However, their brains struggle to make sense of the sounds they hear, leading to a range of difficulties in daily life. Symptoms of APD can manifest in various ways, often mimicking other learning or attention disorders. Common signs include difficulty understanding speech in noisy environments, following multi-step instructions, and distinguishing between similar-sounding words. While the exact causes of APD remain elusive, research suggests a combination of genetic predisposition and environmental factors. Premature birth, ear infections, and a lack of exposure to diverse sounds during early childhood have all been implicated as potential contributors. The concern is that by constantly immersing themselves in artificially silenced environments, young people may be inadvertently depriving their developing brains of the auditory stimulation needed to hone these crucial processing skills. The allure of noise-canceling headphones is undeniable. In a world saturated with distractions, they offer a sanctuary of silence, a sonic oasis where we can focus, relax, or simply escape the relentless bombardment of modern life. But like any powerful tool, their benefits come with potential drawbacks, especially when used excessively during crucial stages of brain development. The human auditory system is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, honed over millennia to navigate the complexities of the natural world. However, by creating an artificially silenced environment, noise-canceling headphones may inadvertently be short-circuiting this crucial developmental process. While they offer temporary respite from sonic overload, their excessive use, particularly during adolescence, may be hindering the brain's ability to develop the complex listening skills needed to thrive in the real world. Check 1, check 2, check. Section 4. Lost in translation. Sophie, a bright and articulate 25-year-old, found herself increasingly withdrawn from social situations. Conversations, once effortless, became a minefield of misunderstandings. She frequently asked people to repeat themselves, struggling to follow the thread of conversations, especially in noisy environments. Concerned, Sophie consulted a doctor, fearing she was experiencing early signs of hearing loss. However, tests revealed her hearing was perfectly normal. Further investigation led to a diagnosis of auditory processing disorder, or APD, a condition that affects how the brain interprets sound, even when hearing itself is unimpaired. While Sophie's case is anecdotal, it highlights a growing concern among some audiologists: the potential link between excessive noise-canceling headphone use and the development of auditory processing issues. Section 5. Expert Insights. The rise in reported APD cases has sparked concern among experts, who are grappling to understand the complex interplay of factors that may be contributing to this trend. Claire Benton, Vice President of the British Academy of Audiology, cautions against the overuse of noise-canceling technology, particularly during adolescence. The teenage brain is still developing, and part of that development involves learning to process complex auditory information, explains Benton. Benton emphasizes that the goal is not to demonize noise-canceling headphones entirely. These devices have their place, particularly in protecting hearing from damaging noise levels, she clarifies. However, it's about finding a balance, ensuring that young people also get ample exposure to natural, unfiltered sound. Section 6. Striking a chord, balancing technology, and auditory health. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital technology, it's crucial to remain mindful of its potential impact on our health and well-being. While these devices offer a welcome escape from the cacophony of modern life, their excessive use, particularly during crucial developmental years, may have unintended consequences. Just as we encourage children to engage in a variety of physical activities to develop strong and healthy bodies, we must also consider the importance of a balanced sonic diet for optimal auditory development. This means encouraging young people to spend time in environments where they can experience the full spectrum of natural sounds, from the rustling of leaves to the crashing of waves, and it means being mindful of their noise exposure, limiting their use of noise-canceling headphones to situations where they are truly necessary to protect their hearing. By striking a balance between the allure of digital silence and the richness of the natural soundscape, we can help ensure that future generations inherit not just a world of technological marvels, but also the ability to fully experience the symphony of sound that surrounds us.